Hi, my name is Leon Archer, aka the Master Street Teacher. I'm the architect and the creator of Teaching with Technique. Welcome to Teaching with Technique. This video is designed to produce greater mental clarity and agility on the tape measure. Without any further ado, let's go into the lab. Every 12 inches is equivalent to 1 foot. This symbol represents inches. This symbol represents foot. There are 4 increments of measurements you must remember. 1/16 of an inch, 1/8 of an inch, 1/4 of an inch, 1/2 of an inch. This is a snapshot that I taken of a ruler. As you can see, there's a repetitive process from each inch. 1/8 of an inch is in red, 3/8, 5/8, and 7/8 all in red. 1/4, 1/2 inch, and 3/4 is in black. But what they don't indicate on the tape measure is the 16ths. Every line between every inch is a 16th of an inch. So let's go in deep and I'm going to show you. 1/16, 2/16, 3/16, 4/16, 5/16, 6/16, 7/16, 8/16, 9/16, 10/16, 11/16, 12/16, 13/16, 14/16, 15/16, 16/16. Now, every 2 consecutive 16th is equivalent to an eighth. 1/2, 1/8, 1/2, 2/8, 1/2, 3/8, 1/2, 4/8, 1/2, 5/8, 1/2, 6/8, 1/2, 7/8, 1/2, 8/8. Now, every 4 consecutive 16th is equivalent to 1/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4/4. 4/4 is equivalent to 1. We have 1 inch. Every 8 consecutive 16th is equivalent to a 1/2 inch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1/2 inch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You at 1 inch. 1/2 plus 1/2. You at a whole inch. 2/2 is 1. Let's go at this again. Put the platform back up. Every line between every inch is a 16th. Every 2 consecutive 16th is an 8. I can't make it no clearer than that. Every 4 consecutive 16th is equivalent to 1/4. Count. Every 8 consecutive 16th is a 1/2 of an inch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now, let me show you how to convert 16ths to 8. We know from the platform that every 2/16 is an 8. So anytime you show me in the real world, this is how I do it. Anytime you show me the top numerator, the top number of a 16th, I'm going to divide 2 into it and convert it into 8s. 2 will go into 9 4 times. 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract 8 from 9, you have 1. That 1 represents 1/16 of an inch. Let's go back to the platform and check it out. Remember what I said. Every line between every inch is a 16, and there's 16 of them. Every 2 consecutive 16 is equivalent to 1/8. Okay? Every 4 consecutive 16 is equivalent to 1/4 of an inch. Every 8 consecutive 16 is equivalent to a 1/2 of an inch. Now let's look up here. You show me 2. You show me the top of any 16. I should be able to divide 2 into that top numerator, that top number, and it should give me the equivalence to the 8s. So 2 will go into 9 4 times. So that's why it's 4 8s with 1/16 left over. Let's convert 16ths into 4ths. In the real world, we know off the platform, if you show me 4/16, we know that there are 4 16ths that is equivalent to 1/4. In the classroom, The teacher going to say, give me a greatest common factor that'll go into 4 and 16. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So you divide 4 into 4 one time. 4 into 16, 4 times. 1/4. So let's go to the platform and see that this hold up. Every line between every inch is a 16. There's 16 16ths. Okay, every 2 consecutive 16 is 1/8. Okay. Every 4 consecutive 16 is equivalent to 1/4. Every 8 consecutive 16 is equivalent to 1/2 of an inch. As you see, the platform is true to form again. 4/16 is equivalent to 1/4. This can help you in classroom, in the real world. Let's go and convert, the 16 to 1/2 of an inch. Now we know from the platform there's only 16 16ths. So 1/2 of 16 would be 8. 8 16 is 1/2 of an inch. Inside the classroom, the teacher would say, what factor can go into 8 and 16? 8 times 1 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. So 8 is the factor we're looking for. 8 divided into 8 one time. 8 divided into 16 two times. So 1/2. So how many 16ths are there inside of 1/2 an inch? 8. Let's see if our platform hold up. Every line between every inch is a 16. Every 2 consecutive 16 is equivalent to an 8. 1 2 1 2 1 2. And you see, every 4 consecutive 16 is equivalent to a 1/4. Every 8 consecutive 16 is equivalent to 1/2 of an inch. Now, let's see. 1 is 1/2 of 2. 2 is 1/2 of 4. 4 is 1/2 of 8. 8 is 1/2 of 16. This right here is designed to lock you in place. If you're a kinesthetic learner, visual learner, auditory learner, it doesn't matter. By now, you should be locked in place. Thank you for stopping by and spending some of your time with me. But before you leave, please listen to the last part of Sharps from the Master Street Teacher. I bet you your mental clarity and agility on the tape measure just went through the roof. That means I've done my job. I'm Leon Archer, a.k.a. the Master Street Teacher. I'm the architect and the creative teacher with technique. You can follow me on Twitter, like my Facebook page, and subscribe to my YouTube page. I'm out here in cyberspace, man. When you see me, holla at your boy. And as always, master what you touch.